Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
It clearly says the rules, regulation of MPT will prevail over the rules, the local rules of the state government or the local body. Now that you have made a state within a state. Adesh Goy amche. You are bringing the entire shoreline under the jurisdiction of MPT. Whether a fishermen, whether a traditional people like reindeer or amche nuste marpi asa, nale amche agriculture people along the sea. You have brought them under these people. They will just snatch away. A port will be given absolute power to go in for compulsory acquisition, and it is in bold, compulsory acquisition for appurtenant land. Now what is appurtenant land? Appurtenant land is unlimited land on either side of the river. So that means this landlord, so-called landlord, will acquire compulsorily all the land. I appeal to the chief minister. इतले तुम्ही दिले, म्हादय दिली, आमचे मोपा दिले, सगळे शेतां भाटां दिली. हेंय दिता तुम्ही दर्याचे आमकां देवान दिल्ले पुर्वजांनी सांबाळून दवरलेले. What will the next generation have? Nothing.
This draconian bill aims to regulate, operate and plan for the jurisdiction which extends for 53 long kilometers, which extends from Betul in the south to Taleigao in the north and includes the estuarine villages in the Zuari Bay.
So what they could not do directly, they will now be doing indirectly, and there is no protection available to our traditional fishermen, to our coastal communities and to the people of Goa. I think this is a very serious development that has taken place. Its impact will be known at some point of time, and then by then it will be too late